and UI development,
Oh,
those type of planning for an hour. And our dashboard one will be next
mm,
Monday, so I won't be in the Evolve stand up next Monday as well. So
okay.
before team,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Don't you under stress? You didn't miss anything.
No, I just quite uh, empty for me because I don't find any meeting today.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
yeah,
that's good.
yeah.
Downtime just to focus. Mm.
Oh,
So I think I'll give you a quick run through of what I discovered for the specimen receipt stage. Um, yeah, I hope I can cover enough details, but if you have any questions, feel free to stop me
yeah,
at any
sure.
time. So I will mention this name a lot. It's called HCL Notes. So it's like an app that we can use on the system, and you can you can think of HCL at 7 as a receiver and translator. So for example, if there's an external system from the other system, and they might communicate in. I'm just making an example. If they are speaking in Vietnamese and our system, like Delphic AP, speaks Chinese,
Mm.
HCL7 is like a translator that can translate the fields and information from Vietnamese to Chinese
Oh,
to suit. Yeah, so including if we're opening up a request, um, oh, it's pretty slow. But all the fields will be matched, such as in Vietnamese, name can be a different language, different spelling, but the content of the name need to be transcribed into Chinese correctly
mm,
in our system.
mm,
So just think about HCL7 as a middle in the middle that translates everything, making sure the fields are correct.
mm. Okay.
Yeah, just like those, because you got all those details. And from other system, they might call it a different name, depending on which system it is, such as request type. They could be naming differently, like type or request name, just different um, definition. But the content will be the same, so it will stay as cytology across both systems. So yeah, it's like a first step. We need to translate into the format and the correct field into our AP Delphic AP system.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah, so that they will be matching across both um, systems. And usually, this step will be handled by the secretary in the office rather than the lab users. So the lab users will purely just focus on the lab stuff like blocking, cutting,
Mm.
staining, issuing, and then they might hit such as proceed once they finish the blocking, and then so that the cutting will be pending in our dashboard definition. And then people who are working from the cutting workstation, they will find it in the system, such as there will be a new request saying this is ready to be cut, pending cutting completed in blocking. So the lab users, they purely interested into these steps. So the specimen receipts, specimen preparation will be handled by the office secretary.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so
Yep.
the specimen preparation, it will be done by the secretary or the lab user.
Um,
The preparation test step.
yep. So I think that will be handled by the secretary rather than the lab users.
Mm.
Um,
Um.
the reason is that the lab users they purely see these ones, so I don't think they have the chance to change anything in specimen prep. So when they start working, they will see everything is ready
Uh,
to be processed,
oh.
and then they will see how many like the numbers and everything.
Um, I remember that in a video of the progress, the lab user
Mm-hmm.
will receive a pot, a
Yes.
chunk of the tissue that will be
Yeah.
processed. So that would be
Mm-hmm.
the specimen preparation or else.
Um, I'll show you another document for the workflow. Just one
Mm.
second. So, um, everything is pretty slow by this time.
Yeah. So is it due to your computer or another
I don't know.
reason?
It probably it's been a long time I opened this document.
Oh,
And there are lots
okay.
of photos in there.
Yeah,
Probably it's just heavy.
yeah.
Okay. So in specimen prep, so they will, like you said, they will scan the physical actual
Sorry.
part.
Sorry. Do you share your screen? I cannot see it.
Oh,
Yeah.
weird. Can you see now?
Yes, it's still processing.
Yeah. So specimen prep is just like you said, scanning the actual specimen part, and they will bring to the specimen preparation screen, with all the details, including the lab work, patient, specimen block details, and by default there will be a number of blocks required for this specimen type, and then they will print out the cassettes, labeled with the barcode and everything, by the printer. So the number should be matched as well. And then so they would also capture the digital dictation, just kind of like while they were cutting, they talk through their observations, and there might be a speech recognition machine that could transcribe the script. Otherwise, I think they can record it, and then the secretary will transcribe the script for them to record in the system. So that will be the first point of contact with the physical specimen. So back to the workflow.
Yeah.
So usually there will be a request sent from an external system, which is not AP. It could be other systems using other format. So the HR7 will receive a file in their folder. I don't have an install, but it should be something like something appears here saying that your computer has received a new request, and you can do import by selecting the file that you just received. And then if you import.
Yeah, so just a quick question. Is that the electrical order that Colin mentioned?
Yes,
Okay.
it's electrical.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So there's no. Yeah. So there could be a chance that the physical specimen part will be received at the same time with the order receiving, but there could be time, the specimen arrived later after the request has been created. But yeah, no matter what, you just create and log the request first, because it's for the digital record. So the HCL will receive the request for, and then you can choose to import, and then it will appear probably in the last row saying that just following all these formats. And then if you double click, such as this is the last one that I've imported. This is a bad example. So it will bring you up as the standard request form. So all the details will be transcribed into what AP recognize, like the format is the same, and you put in the request ID directly generated from the AP system. And usually this lab ID should be a other ID. So other ID will match with the external system's ID, and you will know that it's the exact order from what I just imported. So all the fields will be populated according to the file, the digital file, including like patient details, request details, or specimen-related details, such as this one is a urine. There's only one specimen and it will be urine. So when the specimen receives, you will see the label. It will be the type obviously must be a urine, and then the other ID on the specimen part will match with the slab ID. And you know that it's the matching case, like the digital matches with the physical one. So after that, the secretary will just review all of these fields, and then confirm that all the mandatory fields are correct and it's been translated into the right format.
The format of AP, right?
Yes. So it just matches with what they require for the AP format. And like you said, there could be specimen and a request arrive together in the lab, or there could be different timing. So at all, you need to check with the barcode matches with the ID to confirm that it's the same from the same request. And then after that, what they would do is to log request. I might do that. So by logging a request, that means you're this is not the best example. So for example, for this one, if you click on save and log, then you will see the order disappears from this list, from the specimen receipt list. It will be then popped into this specimen prep screen. So that means it's into the next stage. And then after that, it will be ready for the lab users to do the blocking cutting. So it's like an activation button that you just follow the workflow, and then the requests just fall into different sequences. And then the lab will just focus on the lab work, and then until issuing, they'll pass to pathologist. Would that make sense to you?
Yeah, so when I'm mapping this receipt workflow to the workflow number 2 that I just I mentioned to you yesterday. So when generalist they make a form in the core form, and then it would change to the histology form that the specialist in AP review, check it, and confirm it. So how's the workflow look like?
You mean to verify the workflow for the two-step registration?
Yes, so I want to confirm the workflow with you, like what it would be like in the real scenario, matching with the system that we are designing.
Yeah, I think it's quite such as into the details. So that sounds like a manual input. So does it mean the sample? So those are the workflow after sample arrives.
Yeah. So so Colin mentioning that I think Colin just mentioned that a generalist, they would do a core form. They would do a request in core form, and they will select the surgery test type. And because they don't have like the knowledge to making the histology request type, so they just do a core form. So
I think by saying core, it means the AP. So we call this as the core, Delphic core. So does it mean the form from here?
Yeah. So the core form that I'm mentioning is the Delphic LS orangey. It's not really an AP.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yep. So those are the workflow that Colin mentioned to you as an example of the uh, Evolve order entry or AP.
So that could be actually I don't really understand deeply of that, but
That's okay. I can ask Colin tomorrow just to understand. Are these an example of AP or?
this yeah.
Yeah,
So
and by saying Maria and Sarah, do you mean they're two different people doing
yeah.
trust checking?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is my flow after I'm this my flow I created after I have a meeting with Colin. So
Yep.
so in here Maria stands for generalist. She do the request receipt and she's a journalist, so she don't have like the IP knowledge to like select the test, select these specimens. So she just making the request in Defic iOS in orangey map call form, and then that would change to the histology form. It could be an pending list in AP because the surgery will go directly into that pending request list. So an specialist in AP who knows the knowledge of the specimen, things like that. In AP, they receive the request and then they checking the information in the request, and then they will refining the request, making the request match with the physical form if they need, and then they finish that work, and it would be finishing the or receipt steps. So that's is the thing that I know from Colin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have the recording for that session at all that I can have a look at, or I can ask Colin tomorrow?
I think I have. I will send you the meeting note for me. Yeah.
Yeah, that would be really good.
Yeah.
Just to understand. Cause I wasn't sure about the AP order entry part. Because I thought you still need to work on the auditing page for Evolve, and didn't realize that we are into the AP order entry already. But yeah, more background will be more beneficial. I'll ask Colin tomorrow on the workflow for this one.
Yeah. So
And just to see if it matches with what I found from the AP team.
yeah. So actually, one more thing I will need to tell you is I'm not really like understand the interaction, like how the user select to go to the LIS product and the AP product, like how
Okay.
how is the starting point of selecting this product. I know that this is different product, but not really sure like how they are different and how the user like they know the scenario, how to do it, how to use this product.
What I suspect is that we will be having a landing page. So just think about this as titled as order entry. Evolve order entry, and then if you click here, it will be all the designs that you've done for order entry, and then dashboard will direct you into the dashboard looking. But I'm not sure where the AP order entry will be placed. Is it within a entire like category of order entry, or is it will be part of the AP branch?
Yeah.
I'll ask that as well.
Yeah.
Just to see what's the
I remember that.
what's the vision of.
Yeah. So I remember that Colin and Darren yesterday they like discussing like how the product is related. So I think that would be another thing that they will look into.
Yeah, exactly. A lot more to add.
Yeah.
Mm.
So about the recept workflow, I think your explanation is matching with the workflow number 3 that Colin told me. It's about the
Yeah.
workflow when we receive the electronic order.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, I'll do the verification for those workflow tomorrow and maybe talk to more people to verify and pass you the details.
Yeah.
Cool.
So yeah, so if we have like a proper like user scenario, like
Yeah.
user scenario and user journey, it would be like really beneficial for me to like
Yeah, I'll see.
know the context. Yeah.
Yeah, great.
Yeah.
I'll see if we can find something from the menu.
Yeah.
So there's nothing on entry. That's our receipt.
Ooh, what is that?
It's a user menu. Do you think that would be beneficial? Because it's like a walkthrough of what each view is established for.
Yeah. This one
I'll
is
send it to you
really
anyway.
cool. Yeah.
Yeah. I might send you by email. I'm not sure whether you can see this, but yeah, I'll send you those. And yeah, had fun researching.
Yeah. Yes, thank you. Also,
Cool. I'll be.
just ask like, is that like is that just the company user manual? Like, can I using like some AI to process on it?
Oh, it's the AP product user menu, user guide. That we released to the user. Yeah, and do you want to put something generate in using AI or?
Like so with this kind of document, I would love to use the notebook LLM to like processing the document data into like some kind of summary knowledge. It would help me to like to digest the knowledge easily.
Yeah, or if it's facing customer, I don't think there's any problem analyzing it. Use your tool. So
Yeah.
go ahead with it.
Yeah, thank you. Because some of these could be like protect into the company. So yeah.
Right. Yeah. I don't think it's a company level because it's specifically just for AP product, and we release it to the user when they're doing the troubleshooting. If they can find any information themselves.
Yeah.
Before they contact us. So yeah, I think it should be all right.
Yeah. Thank you for
Yeah, I
that.
might just dump you into the chat. Yeah. Good.
Yes, that's good. Yeah.
Can you see if you can access this one? Oh, I'll send you by email. It doesn't allow me to share data.
Yeah. That would be great.
You-
Yeah. Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for the time. Bye. See ya.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Bye.
Talk to you tomorrow.
Yeah. Bye you.